Welcome, I'm David Geiger. Iowa farmers are about done planting corn. According to the state's crop progress report from the National Agricultural Statistics Service, there were only about 2.5 days good for field work with lots of rain across the state. That has helped out dry conditions in Iowa with topsoil at 71% adequate moisture and subsoil at 54% adequate. According to state climatologist Justin Glisson, over the last 10 days there was plenty of rain. However, there's still a ways to go before dry soil disappears.
So we would like to see climatologically what we would expect in May, June, July, and then above average totals to really start to chip away at those precipitation deficits. The behavior that we've seen over the last 7 to 10 days has been great. Those colder temperatures, even when we were drier than average, helped mitigate some of that atmospheric demand, which held drought conditions effectively status quo.
Glisson adds Iowa needs consistent rainfalls, and right now the short-term outlook shows a good chance of that over the next couple of weeks. And corn planting is about done at 97%, 2 weeks ahead of the 5-year average, according to the Iowa Crop Progress Report, with corn emergence at 75%, 5 days ahead of normal. The first corn condition rating of the season shows conditions are 78% good or excellent. Soybeans are 89% planted, 15 days ahead of normal, with emergence at 53%, 9 days ahead of the 5-year average. Iowa hay is 59% good or excellent, and pasture conditions are 49% good or excellent. Grain markets continue to be in the red. Our analyst Don Rose has the details.
The grain market continues to take risk premium out of the market as the weather continues to improve, non-threatening for the next 10 days. So you're seeing that mentality of a risk-off trade continuing to build momentum going into the 3-day weekend. The weather patterns can change over those time frames, but for right now, that's not the concern. It's more of a get back to home base by the funds selling here. Also, China, no specifics, but there are strengthening price controls on key commodities. Corn and wheat is the rumor. The cattle market's trying to stabilize. We still are dealing with big numbers of cattle here short term, but by the mid to the end of the summer, those numbers should tighten up. The box beef just continues to push to the upside. Domestic demand is strong. The export market is strong. All adds up to some buying at the retail level. The hog market is sitting at some higher levels, some loftier levels here right now. Just the opposite of China. China's hog prices continue to make new lows, which is a risk for our market. They're down 32% versus last year, the lowest level since 2019, as ours are making new highs.
And that's all I have for the Agribusiness Report today. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you again next time. We have our stories online. Head over to WHO13.com, click News, and then Agribusiness.